So it's been a while since I've done a dating profile video, so we're going to change that today. So this is dating tips and tricks. We look at online dating profiles and see where maybe these people could use a little bit more polish to show off their personality. Let's look at a few of these. Okay, so this is G Shot, y'all. G Shot is 29, and his bio picture is a selfie in a bathroom. I will show you the picture in a moment. He says, I am down to F, only natural born females. If you want, feel free to hit me up and hit me up Snapchat, Wanderer of Love, and Instagram T Delonius. Looking forward to talking to you, Queens. I'm trying to be a live in, friends with the benefits, and a sneaky link. I try to have somebody drive me to jobs and STD free so we can raw dog. We might make a baby or two if it's good enough. I am a practicing Muslim and I am poly, but only with female partners. I want someone that will cook, clean, and not nag all day if I want SE. I'm sure he means. Okay, never mind. All right, y'all. So he is down to F with only natural born females. He needs a sneaky link and a friends with benefits, and he needs you to take him to work and to cook and clean for him and not nag him. All right, y'all. Let's see what G Shot is working with. This is his bio picture. This I Ladies, please jump in and let him know, or let men like this know, why it's not preferred that this is the picture, this. But he does give us one of his face, and oh my goodness, he and I, our glasses are kind of matching. Oh my goodness. So let me do that. And his Denny's breakfast looks amazing. It looks amazing. But so his face is there. There are quite a few things that G Shot would need to do in order to present himself and highlight his best personality. And it would have to be like not talking about so much nookie and going raw dog and not really having his own job and needing someone to cook and clean. That just seems like a lot to put in your bio, but that's me. You ladies go ahead and jump in and let's go to the next profile. All right, we have Jaymon. He's 36. He's also a Christian. So let's look at his bio. He says, am Jaymon, 36 years old, single, looking for serious relationship, got two brothers and one sister, lost my grandmother in 2007 with heart attack and both uncles with cancer and lost stepdad with stroke, very sweet guy, no treat lady right, don't cheat or lie, outgoing person, go church, am usher, give me chance, show you good guy, I am, want my number is 423, and then he gives the rest of his numbers. Jaymon does not appreciate what punctuation can do for your bio. I'm going to read this again just so you can grasp what he's saying. Because, yeah, let's just read it again. MJ Mon, 36 years old, looking for serious relationship, got two brothers and one sister, lost my grandmother in 2007 with heart attack and both uncles with cancer and lost stepdad with stroke, very sweet guy, no treat lady, right, don't cheat or lie, outgoing person, go church, am usher, give me chance, show you, good guy, I am, want my number, is, and then his number. He's looking for a long-term relationship, y'all. He's in Tennessee. He's 5'7". Let's see what Jaymon is looking like today. Here we go. Jaymon, 5'7", good guy, goes to church. He is an usher. So you guys, he's looking at the camera. He has on a suit. Hold on. He has more suits. That red is, ooh, that suit is, man, it is hitting. Imagine, imagine going on a date with Jaymon. He is a good guy. He won't lie to you. All right, y'all. Y'all go ahead. And I never understand why they do these pictures like this, looking all extra grumpy. Gentlemen, these pictures, these selfies right here, they don't look good. Don't do these selfies right here. So, ladies, go ahead, jump in the comments. Let us know what you think Jaymon can do to highlight his personality just a little bit better. I would say throw in some commas, throw in some periods. You know, maybe put his whole bio through Grammarly, or just let a woman read it and maybe help him out just a little bit. But that's what I say. He's probably a decent guy, but he just needs a lot. He just needs to start over with that bio and his pictures. And yeah, just start over. Y'all jump in. Let's go to the next one. Y'all, this is going to be a good one. This is Loris. He's 32. He says, I'm Guyanese. He's 6'3" and 240 pounds. I am not for the weak. I am an alpha male, Captain Hook energy. Respectfully, lower your tone when addressing me. Well rounded, highly intellectual, and intelligent. I study law and cybersecurity and forensic accounting, writing a book on world peace, but teaching inner peace as well. Ask me about it. Man, he has a lot going on. And he actually uses some punctuation, so that's a good one. He's 6'3", as he has already told us, and he smokes often and has kids. So he is very loose with the sperm. Good for him, I guess. But he, like he said, he is an alpha male, and we need to lower our tone. Let's see, what is Loris working with? This is the forensic accountant who studies law and cybersecurity. I mean, yeah, maybe he's going to be like a spy or something, because if I see Loris, I probably would not think forensic accounting, cybersecurity, and lawyer. I just wouldn't automatically jump straight to that. But I would jump to having multiple kids, probably by multiple women. I would jump to that conclusion. But hold on, look at the teeth, y'all. Look at the golds, the gold fronts, all these little dainty chains. Look at, oh man, he looks so fancy. Them golds in his teeth, on his teeth. And that picture up top, I mean, yeah, that is certainly a picture that I think that is going along with his spy persona, because I would not think forensic accountant, cybersecurity lawyer. I just wouldn't think it just by looking at this. But he's trying to throw people off. Yeah, so this is just a front, y'all. This is just a front. Y'all let me know what y'all think he could do to improve his dating profile. We got Quinn Taliban. Hit me up. Snapchat and IG is Taliban, but it has a 6 instead of a B. Recently single, just broke up with my baby mom, but didn't have the heart to put her out on the street. So she lives in my living room until she can get on her feet. Haven't been sexually active in over a month, y'all. It's been a month. Looking for a new friend that would eventually become more. He's 6'3", he's 31. Look at this gentle soul. He put some streamers around his picture, and you know that he is a gentle soul because he hasn't put his baby mom out. She's living on the couch, probably with his kid. So he seems nice. I mean, that's real cool. And y'all, he hasn't been sexually active in a month, so he does have some restraint. Yes, bonus points. Y'all let me know, is there anything that you would change about this? Finally, Valentino. He's 40. I'm looking for a female who will help and who understands, yes, I'm locked up. Nothing is forever. Just need a woman touch and attention. I'm very loyal and can be faithful to who is faithful to me. Working on my case, just can't trust nobody. To help me get a lawyer, little family, not looking for a handout, just some help, and someone who I can trust to stack up some money with to get a lawyer and live life peacefully. I have no kids. I'm not here to play games with no one. Ask for 14. And this is Valentino, who's 40 and locked up, and he's just looking for somebody to hold him down a little bit and help a little bit because he doesn't have that much family. There is no helping this bio. We're going to leave it just the same because this really will showcase who he is and why women should swipe on or off of him. Let's just leave it just as it is, because we don't need any woman to not have her eyes wide open. All right, so that's it for today. For the newbies on my page, I hope that you enjoyed these, and for the old timers, thanks for the support. Don't forget to jump in the comments and like, comment, share.